before the video start, I'm going to attempt to get a thumbnail. I gotta make it look like I got a whole bunch of clothes, and then yeah. Ugh. Bruh, I don't know, this look dumb. That is one thing about my channel, like, no offense to myself, but I'm not good at making thumbnails. Yeah, this don't eat. Let me stop. Y'all, today I have a huge Fashionnova haul, try-on haul. We'll be trying on these clothes, and we just gonna get into it. I got so much clothes. This one is gonna be a doozy. Like, this one is gonna be big. I got like 30 plus items, but I'm not gonna be showing all of that. I'm only gonna be showing my favorite pieces. We got some bodysuits, some sets, some dresses, some shoes, some accessories. So let's just get straight into it. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first set of shoes that I'm gonna be showing y'all are these. These are so... yes, they're actually so cute. They remind me of Tyla a bit in that type of style, and I actually can't wait to wear these with a fit. They are very soft, and I love how the belt goes around the fur. It's just giving. Next set of shoes are these. All of these are like pointy toe shoes. These are so cute. It's like a fashionista vibe, like, you know what I'm saying? I'll say these come up right below the knee, so definitely these two will definitely be my go-to boots when it's time to go out to the club or do whatever. I don't know. Next, we have some shoes that I really like also. They remind me of Bratz dolls. Y'all know I love dressing up like a Bratz doll. These come up right below the knee also, but oh my gosh, they eat so bad. Oh my gosh. They just eat. I don't know. Then I also have these. These are so cutesy. I love. Look at that. I love the platform, and I just love the shape. Like, it's just giving, I don't know, I just can't wait to wear these also. A lot of this stuff is giving like date night, or like with the Bratz shoes. These remind me of like city girl, or like going to shoot some pool, or taking a walk to the coffee shop. Like, it's just giving that type of vibe, you know what I'm saying? And then these give me the type of vibe like if I got invited to like, I don't know, some type of party, some type of function, you know what I'm saying? And this is just giving like girls night out type S, like on some sexy S. Like, those are the 4 pairs of shoes that I got, and I've already worn the brown boot. And we can dive into some more of the accessories that I got before we get into the actual clothes. I got this cowboy hat. I feel like they'll go really cute with the shoes. I obviously can't wear it right now because my hair is very curly and big, but you get the gist. And I got these shades. Y'all, I don't have shades at all. These are my only pairs of shades. I don't know, it's kind of giving futuristic, which I enjoy. And I also have a belt that I feel like go with the hat and the boot, but it kind of go with everything overall. It's giving chic, boho. I let Reagan wear it to a party she went to, so let me go get that. Let me go get that so I can show y'all. Okay, so funny story, I actually don't know where my belt is. I don't know what she did with it, but it's this circle boho belt. I think it's called like a Darcy belt. I'm not sure, but I've already worn it, and those are all my accessories. Now let's move on to the clothes. Now for reference, if you want to know if Fashionnova is a good place to shop, I feel like their clothes fit nice, but I am more on the skinny side. I feel like their clothes kind of cater to like more thick, but if you skinny, I feel like their clothes, it still fit nicely. So for reference, I'm 5'4" and I weigh 110, so just so you can have a reference of the clothes. Now let's get into the bodysuits. We're gonna start with the one that I'm already wearing. It's like a mint green. I really F with this bodysuit because when bodysuits are made, they miss the mark a lot because they don't make it fit the torso. It'd be like a air pocket. Like right here, it'll be a pocket of air and it won't fit your body nice. But something about this bodysuit, it fits nice. It really do. And I actually got this bodysuit. I got another one of these in the color blue. I'm gonna try that on for y'all to see too. So this is the same bodysuit, but it's in green. And I'm gonna try on the blue one so y'all can see how it looks. Something I really like about these bodysuits is that they're very vibrant. Like the color is very vibrant and it pops so nicely. And I love how you can see like my stomach through it. Nice, very nice. But this is the blue one. And yes, on the back part of it, it has a chain that's attached to it to add some flavor, but I had to take that off because I'm allergic to stuff like that. I'm allergic to nickel, so couldn't wear that, but yes, let's move on. Also, all this stuff is an extra small. Next bodysuit I have is this burgundy. Burgundy bodysuit is very low cut, like this. And I think the torso fits nice on this one too. So as y'all can see, it comes down very deep, and it's definitely more of a sexy vibe. But this one fits the torso. This one fits the torso good too, as far as not having that pocket of space. Okay, so next bodysuit that I have, it's like beige. It's a beige bodysuit, and honestly, this one has, I tried this one on before. It has the pocket of space in the back that I was talking about, so as you see, this one isn't as fitting as the other ones, and got that air back there that I was talking about. If it was to be fitted, it would look like that, but it got that little space. But I mean, even though it do got that little space and that little pocket of air, I think this is still cute to lounge around in at the house, to wear casually. Next, I have a long sleeve bodysuit. I know a lot of bodysuits, right? It's brown. I've been really digging neutral colors since we are in the season of fall. I haven't tried this one on yet, so this will be my first impression. Okay, y'all, so my first impression of this is that it's very soft, but it is a little loose. Everything ain't gotta be skin tight though, you know what I'm saying? And it has a little bit of air as well on the sides. If it was fitted though, like this, like this. But that's okay though. This is also very comfortable to wear around the house if you just want to chill. So this bodysuit cool. It's very chill. And that's all the bodysuits that I have so far. So next we can move on to some sets. Ooh. Okay, so first set I'm gonna show y'all is actually this set right here. I'm gonna put on the top so y'all can see. This is a very cozy two-piece set. This is from Fashionnova, obviously, as well. And the thing about this, it's just so soft and thick. Like, the material is so soft and thick, like it's heavy. I would wear this definitely to like a pumpkin patch or to get coffee or anything fall related. This is a good set to wear. This is an extra small as well. It's so stretchy. I would wear this to a drive-in movie when it's cold. And yeah, I have the pants folded down, but I think it's high-waisted, but I like my stuff to be a little low. Alright, y'all. Now we're gonna move on to a set that's a little explicit, but y'all just gonna have to see. So this is the top. Okay. Oh. And then it comes with a skirt. This. Oh. And then y'all, the explicit part is this. Hold on. What is y'all talking about? So I guess that go under the skirt, but this is a set that I will wear on a girls' night out, obviously. If I'm going to the club, if I'm hanging out with some friends. But y'all. Okay, y'all. Like I said, I wear this to a girls' night out. I feel like my bazungas are a little big for this top, but I don't know. Okay, enough of that. Oh my gosh, I don't want to scare anybody. This outfit is kind of explicit, but next we have a very cute dress. It's kind of giving very Coraloo, because I don't know, I really like the print that's on it. It's giving Valentine's Day. Back it has a zipper with dots. It's an extra small as well. You can call me Hoochie, but I would definitely scrunch up the dress just a little bit because it's kind of long, but this is definitely something I would wear. I'm trying to be just so cutesy and girly. Okay, I have some more dresses, but I don't really want to try those on for the video, so I'm gonna show y'all another set. We have a pajama set. I actually really like this pajama set just because it's comfortable and it's cute and it's giving fall. It's like a striped set. Oh my gosh, I love this set. Is definitely up there with my favorite items just because it's so, I hope I'm not ashy, because it's so comfortable and it fits like a glove. I would wear this with some UGG shoes, you know what I'm saying? I wear this to a sleepover, like it's just giving cute. So next, kind of tired of trying on stuff, I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna show y'all this shirt. I'm not trying this shirt on for the video because it's a turtleneck and I don't feel like trying to fit that over my hair, but this is like a beige tan cream color, and I just know whenever I wear this, oh, it's so soft too. Whenever I wear this, it's gonna look cute. An item that I'm excited to style is this. It's like a corset, and I love the ripped part. This shirt reminds me of this style, which I have that fit pinned on my Pinterest board, because when I like an outfit, I'm gonna save it and then recreate it in a different way. So that's what that's giving. But next, I can show y'all some jeans, which I like these jeans. These are some nice fitting jeans. They fit very nice. These are some flared jeans with like a built-in belt. It's like a built-in belt, bruh. I really like these because they make my booty look kind of big a little. Like, they just fit nice, they're stretchy, and they're a nice material. Like, they not rough. So I really do enjoy that. Another shirt that I got that I low-key not gonna try on, but I'll show y'all. This long sleeve top with a zipper. This is kind of giving early 2000s going to the mall shopping type of vibe, and I thought that was really cute, so I got that as well. And yes, I got a whole lot of other items, but low-key, I think I'm going to end the video here because I'm kind of hungry. I kind of want to go eat. Maybe we could do a part 2. We'll have some dresses that are flowy and whatnot, and also some other spicy dresses for a girls' night out. Stay tuned for the outfits that I make with these clothes, and thank y'all for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.